City Crown has spent nearly 30 years as front-runners in the development and production of machines dedicated to the manufacture of contact lenses. We are proud to present the very latest development to add to our extensive range of lathe. The Series 9 Aspheric Lathe. After the takeover of City Crown by Max Gefeller AG of Switzerland in 1991, we began a program of research and development specifically aimed at producing machines that would enable our customers to operate their businesses more profitably. We perceived greater competition from molding companies, causing falling retail prices of finished lenses, rising labor, material, tooling and overhead costs, a variety of problems which would face lens manufacturers. We therefore realized that in order to offer machines that would provide a competitive advantage in an increasingly hostile market, they would have to be faster, more accurate, easier to use, more reliable and capable of earning back their value more quickly. The resume of the Series 9 is the latest chapter in this story of continuous development. Its qualifications include its ability to cut any radially symmetrical geometry appropriate to a contact lens with ease. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to program it. It is fast, but without compromise on accuracy or finish, and will produce surfaces for any design of lens in about a minute, start to finish. It is robust and reliable, giving savings in downtime. It doesn't offer any insupportable claims about making polish-free lenses. History has shown that conditions for this are virtually unachievable and inappropriate in the manufacture of products which can only command a certain market value. We make no excuses for this. We just give you an effective and affordable machine. There are many ways in which the Series 9 can be incorporated into your existing production. In this demonstration, we shall start from the very beginning, with your customer ordering a pair of lenses. The practitioner will have chosen a type of lens from your range and has the fitting details for his patient. All of this data can go straight into the computer, each lens being stored with a unique reference. This is printed onto the job ticket, which carries all of the lens details for QC checks throughout the manufacturing process. When the ticket arrives at the machine, the operator places a blank of the chosen material into the collet. He selects the job ID. The lathing cycle is initiated with the press of just one button. The diameter is cut first. Followed by a rapid XY roughing cut. This tracks the exact shape of the lens. A gentler intermediate cut removes any material into which stress may have been induced during roughing. This is followed by a finishing cut. All of the speeds are controlled by the computer and are tuned to suit each material so that the optimum surface is produced. A perfect edge radius is added before the lathe returns to its datum position. And the cycle is complete. The base curve is polished, inspected, measured and blocked before returning to the lathe. The same job ID is used to retrieve the data for the front surface. The details are checked, the measured substance thickness entered, and the data downloaded. The cycle is initiated and cutting begins. Again, the hogging tool quickly removes the bulk of the material, leaving only a thin layer to be removed by the finishing diamond. It makes an intermediate cut. One finishing cut and the lens is completed. The total lathing time is just 135 seconds. Just think how your business could benefit from using such a system. The finished lens, having been soft polished for a few seconds, is then given its final check and shows a perfect image. The Series 9 Aspheric is now available in the United States, exclusively from Polychem Inc. It is supported by a worldwide network of specialist engineers. We believe it offers real advantages to you, the lens manufacturer. We designed it to help make your business more profitable. Why not seize the opportunity?